Okay, so this is the next worksheet, which is basics 2. Okay, so here first we're going to multiply the decimals here. So remember this, when decimals are multiplied to powers of 10, like as you can see here, 10, 100, 1000, etc., means the number 1 with zeros at the back are called powers of 10. Then the decimal will shift to the right side according to the number of zeros. So since we see here 2 zeros, this decimal, which is between 4 and 1, will shift 2 places to the right. Sorry, so 1 and 2. So the number will come out as 5413. Okay, so that's your answer. Likewise, here this decimal between 5 and 1, when multiplied to 1000, will shift 3 places to the right because there are 3 zeros here. So let us do that. 1, 2, and 3. So it will come between the 7 and the 5, right? So we can write the answer 5137, right? Then 0.5. So that is your answer. Okay. Next, we're going to multiply these two decimals here, decimal numbers. So for that, you can just write the numbers in the conventional manner. First one is 73.15. That you can write from left to right like that. But for the next number, it's always a better habit to start writing from the units place. Okay, by that I mean the digits are marked from the right side. Sorry, from the right side. So the first number here is 3, so you go there, and the next is 2, right, and then 1, then comes the point, and then the 3. So you're ready to multiply these two numbers. So you can put that sign. Start with 5, right? So here 3 5s are, how much is that? Yes, right, that's 15, right? So 15 means we write this 5 here, and this 1 is the remainder, right? And 3 1s are 3 plus that 1 remainder, how much? 3 plus 1. Yes, right, that is 4. Next, we don't have any remainder there, then go to the next one. 3 3s are, how much is that? Yes, that's right, 9. Okay, then no remainder, as you see, 9. So next 3 7s are, how much is that? Yes, 21. So we can multiply the first number like that. Then once we finish, we go to the new number 2 and multiply with that. So when we go to the new number, we know we have to shift 1 place to the left. Okay, so 2 5s are, how much is that? Yes, 10, which means we'll write this 0 here, 1 shifted to the left here, because we're starting with a new number, as I said, and 1 remainder, right? So 2 1s are 2 plus 1, how much is that? Yes, 3, so we write there 3, no remainder. And 2 3s are, how much is that? Yes, 6, so we write there 6, and you know there's no remainder, right? 6 means there's no remainder. Next 2 7s are, how much is that? Yes, 14, so we write here 14. Now 1 is next number, so 1 5s are 5. We shift 1 place again to the left because we're starting with new number again, right? 1 1s are 1, you know that. 1 3s are 3, and 1 7s are 7. That's quite simple, so we just wrote it, right? And go to the next number, which is 3, the same as this, which you have already multiplied here. So you can write this one 5, okay, and then 4, then 9, and 1 and 2. Okay, then put a dash and 5. After we've completed that, now you're ready to add. So here is 5, and the next is here 4 plus 0. How much is that? Yes, 4. Then 9 plus 3. Yes, 12, right? And 12 plus 5. Yes, 17. So 17 means we write this 7 here, right? So right here, and 1 remainder here, this one. 1 that remainder added to the next number 4, oh sorry, 5. How much is that? Yes, 6. 6 plus 1. Yes, 7. That's right. 7 plus 6. Think about it. Yes, 13. That's right. Then plus 1. 13 plus 1. Yes, 14. So we got there 14. So we write this 4 here, right? And then 1 is the remainder again. 4, okay? So then 1 plus this 4, how much is that? 5, that's right. And then 5 plus 3. Yes, 8, that's right. 8 plus 4. 12, that's right. Then 12 plus 2. Yes, 14, that's right. So 14 means the same number again. So we write the 4 again, right? So we write here, okay, so 4 here in this line. Then 1 remainder. We keep that in mind. And then 1 plus 9. Yes, 10. 10 plus 7. Yes, 17. That's right. 17 plus 1. Yes, 18. So we got 18. So we will write this 8 here, right? 8. And 1 remainder. So that 1 added to the next one. 1 plus 1. Yes, 2. That's right. Right. So next, no remainder. Then 2. You can simply write it there. Then here, we have to sort the decimal place. So in a decimal like 73.15, to the left of the point here, 73 is called the integral part, and the right of the point here, 1 and 5, are called decimal part, okay? So we see here 2 digits in the decimal part. Likewise here on the right, 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places in total, right? So in the answer, you start from the extreme right and go 5 places accordingly, okay, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will come between this 8 and 4. So the answer will be here. If you want to write ones, then 228 point, then 4 4, that's right, 745. Yes, 745. That's your answer. Okay, once we're done with that multiplication, you can go to the next number, okay, which is we are going to divide now. Just now we multiplied and we know decimal moved to the right according to number of zeros. So here in division, it will be exactly the reverse process. That means it will move to the left. Now since there are 2 zeros here, this decimal will jump from between 4 and 1, 1, 2, and go to the left or front of 5. So your answer will be 0 0.5413, right? So if you have got that, you apply the same method here. Now since there are 3 decimals, 3 zeros here, sorry, dividing this number, decimal will move 3 places to the left, right? So you move it. It'll move your 1, 2, and 3. So it'll come between 1 and 2, right? So 1.2, 3, 7, 5, and 7. So that'll be your answer for that division. Okay, once you're done with that, now you can go to the next number, and that is division of this number here. So you can divide it the conventional way. 9, 1, 8, 5, and 4 is divided by, it's 9. Now the first number clearly goes, so you can just start. 9 ones are 9, right? And there is no remainder. Now, many people make mistakes here because of carelessness. So to avoid that, you listen to this carefully, right? So when after the first division, the rest, we always bring only 1 digit at a time, okay? Which means we cannot bring this 18 together. You have to just bring the 1 once, only 1 down. After that, you compare that 1 you brought down, 1, with the divisor 9, and if that is smaller than the divisor, just like 1 is smaller than 9, then unless you put this 0 here, you cannot bring down the next. So after putting the 0 only, we can bring down the 8. So the number is now 18. So 9, how much is 18? Think. Yes, that's right. 9 twos are 18. Again, no remainder. So again, we remember that we cannot bring double digit at a time, so we bring the 5. But again, 5 is smaller than the 9 here divisor. So we put here 0, and only then you can bring the next number down, 4. Okay, So once you're done with that, now 9 how much is going with 54? Yeah, think about the timetable of 9. Yes, that's right. 9 6 are 54. No remainder and also no more digits. This number is exactly dividing, so your answer is this one. Okay. Now once you're done with that, let us do the next division, and that is here 1 3 2 7 is divided by this number 13. Now the first is just going directly, so you can do that. 13 ones are 13. The first division is fine, you can just do it double digit also. But after that, you are supposed to bring down only one digit at a time, right? Like we did there. So you cannot bring these two 27 together, you have to bring down only two ones. And it's smaller than 13, so what do we do? Yes, try to remember here. Yes, that's right. Put 0 first, only then the next digit 7 can come down. Okay. And 13, how much is going to 27? Yes, 13 twos are 26 is the closest one. It doesn't exactly go. And 13 3 will be too much, so we'll do there. Now we subtract, so 7 minus 6 is how much? Yes, that's right, 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0, so we need not do that. Now there is no more digit, and the remainder is only 1. And it's smaller than this one, right? So put here point, then no more digit, we'll start putting the decimal point, 10. Still this 10 is smaller than 13, the divisor. So we have to put here 0, then bring down here 0. Okay. Now 7 is going, so I do that. 13 sevens are 7 threes are 21, right? Which means we write the 1 here and 2 is remainder. 7 ones are 7 plus 2. Yeah, think. Yes, 9, so it's 91. So we have to make sure that this 0 and 1 are on the same line and 0 and 9 are on the same line. Okay. Now you subtract. But here the problem is 0 is upper number is smaller than the lower number 1. So it has to borrow from the neighbor. So, but even if it wants to borrow from here, again, the 0 is also upper one, lower than, smaller than the lower number 9. So this will go, 0 will go and borrow this 1, which is bigger than this lower number 0. Even if you don't write, we know it's 0. So it will borrow, it will give it to this 10, 0, and go in front of 0, then 10, right? Then 10 gives 1 to this, so it itself will become 9, okay, 9. So there is no more number here, 1 is given, so 0 there, here, and then here 10, 1 given here, so 9 is left. So that 1 go in front of this 0, imagine, what is the number? Yes, 10. So 10 minus 1 is, yes, 9. Then the rest is all 0, 9 minus 9, 0, and 0. So we need not write that. So remainder is 9, clearly. So once you're done with that, so decimal means we can put 1 0 at least. Okay. Now 13 6 is going, so you write there 6 3s are 18. 18 means 8 will be right and 1 is remainder. 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7. So you can stop there because you have reached after that point 1 to 3 digits, because they're saying divide up to third place. So that is the meaning of dividing up to third place. And then next I will take approximation up to second place. Means first you write up to third place, okay, 102.076. Then we write the integral part as it is, and we go and check the third place. If third place is 5 or more than 5, I repeat, third place is 5 or more than 5, the second digit will increase by 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So that's your answer. That's the meaning of taking approximation up to second place. Now this, if this third place had been less than 5, like a number 4 or 3, 2, like that, then the second digit would have remained same. So your answer would have been 0.07. I hope that is clear. Okay. Now let us go and do similar type here. One more. So here is 132.6.27 is divided by 13. As we said earlier, the first one is clearly going, so you can do 13 ones are 13. So the first division you can take 2 digits at a time, that's fine. But after that, we are not supposed to bring 2 digits at a time, right? So which one will we bring down here? Yes, that's right, only 2, because we are allowed to bring only single digit, not the 6 yet. Compared it to 13, then it's lesser means. What do we do? Yes, we put a 0 first, and then only you bring down the 6. Okay, that's right. Now 13, how much is going? Yes, that's right, 13 twos are 26, exactly going. And you see there is no remainder here. Now go up and see, and the next is a decimal point. Where do we put that? Down here or up? We always put up, okay? So here we put the point. Then we can bring down the next digit. So what is the next digit? Yes, that's right, 2. Because you cannot bring double digit right now. 2 is less than 13 means, what do we do again? Yes, that's right. We need to put a 0 first. Only then the next digit will come down. 13, how much is going close to 27? Think. Yes, that's right. 13 twos are, yeah, 26. That's right. And 7 minus 6 remainder is 1, right? Okay. Then no more digit. 7 has been the last one brought down already. What do we do then? Yes, we have already put the decimal, so we are allowed to put 1 0. That's right. Now 10 is still smaller than 13 means what do we do? We've done that here also, right? Yes, that's right. We put a 0 here and a 0 here. So we can stop there, right? We did not do even the division further. Why? Because we have reached the third place. They're saying divide up to third place. So we have done that. So you can just stop there. So you write your answer, first step, up to the third place because that's what they have asked us. And then the question says you take approximation up to second place. So what do we do? Yes, we write the integral part as it is. And then what do we do? Yes, we check the third place. And if the third place is less than 5 like this 0, what happens? Yes, the preceding second digit, 1 in front, that is the second digit, will remain same. It will not change. So the answer is 102.02. That's right.